If you want to access Meta AI on WhatsApp, for that what you can do is like open your WhatsApp profile. So once you open your WhatsApp profile, on top there you can see ask Meta AI or search. Okay, so just click on that search bar, and here I will search something like suggest some good comedy Indian movies. Okay, so next to that there you can see one green arrow symbol. Just click on that particular green arrow symbol. So now I will just click on it. So once I click on it, so here it will search some of the good comedy Indian movies. So here you can see here are some iconic and hilarious Indian comedy movies that should definitely help you. So here you can see the list of all the Indian comedy movies like classic comedies, modern comedies, and romantic comedies and all. Okay, so now I will just go back, and here I will search something different. So now let us search something else. So now I will search for some of the best companies which offer work from home. Okay, so once I search for it, I will just click on that green arrow symbol. So here are some of the top companies that offer work from home opportunities: technology and software and e-commerce, retail, education and training, finance and real estate. Okay, so here you can see the list of all the companies that offer work from home. Okay, so now I will just type suggest some more companies. Here are companies that some more companies that offer work from home. So here you can see the list of all the some more companies. Okay, so this is how you can use the Meta AI on WhatsApp, and this is how you can access the Meta AI on WhatsApp. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. Hope you like this particular video. Please to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.